Given that 3 plus pi plus 4j plus 3qk is equal to negative I plus pqj plus rk, find the values of p, q and r. Well, what we've got is this vector is equal to this vector. And the only way that that can happen is for the I components to be equal, the j components to be equal, and the k components to be equal. So using the I components, we get 3 plus p is negative 1, and therefore p is negative 4. Using the j components, pq must be equal to 4, but of course we now know that p is negative 4. So negative 4 times q is negative 4, telling us that q is negative 1. And finally, with the k components, 3q is equal to r, but we know that q is negative 1, and therefore 3 times negative 1 is r, and so r is negative 3.